Welcome back to Morphy WhatsApp CRM tutorial series. This is part 4 of the series, and here I will give step-by-step guide on the schedule notifications, Kanban board, and quick reply features of Morphy WhatsApp CRM. When we manage large number of chats, won't it be easy if we are able to reply to common questions with just a click? No need for typing the same reply again and again. Are you wondering how? Let me show you the quick reply option in Morphy WhatsApp CRM. You will understand how. I have created 2 quick replies, one to welcome a chat and another to tell the pricing of cold email suite, as you can see in the bottom. You can create quick reply for more general inquiries and send to the customer by just clicking on the appropriate pre-composed and saved reply from the bottom bar. When a customer says hi, I will just click on Welcome Quick Reply button. No need to type. Now if a customer asks for cold email suite price, I just need to click the quick reply I have created for it. So I can reply instantly and no typing errors. If I need to make any changes in the message, I need to edit the quick reply only. No need to remember price or data changes. Let's see how to create and manage quick reply in Morphy WhatsApp CRM. As example, I am creating a thank you reply for orders placed. Open quick reply window from left side navigation bar. You will get the quick reply window. Here you can see the list of quick replies created by you. When you click on a quick reply, the reply message and editing options will appear on the right side. You can view the quick reply message, edit, copy, or delete it here. You can use the hold icons like this to rearrange the quick replies in this window to sort them based on your priority. To create new quick reply, click on Add Quick Reply button. You will get the Add Quick Reply window. Here first, you need to give a name for the quick reply. To show the quick reply in the bottom bar of Chat, select this first option. If you want to edit the message before sending, choose this Edit Enabling option. Now set the status on. You can also, as the CRM, to add or remove the contact to or from the WhatsApp groups by selecting Groups option and Add or Remove checkboxes. Also, add or remove the contact to or from the WhatsApp's custom tabs by selecting Tabs option and Add or Remove checkboxes. Similarly, add or remove the contact to or from the labels or Kanban board by selecting the option and Add or Remove checkboxes. I don't want any of these extra actions, so let me uncheck all of them. Next is entering the reply message for the completed orders. Now everything is done, click Save. As you can see, the Mu Quick Reply is added successfully. New Quick Reply is added to the bottom bar also. Now when a customer messages you about his new order, no need to type anything. I can just click the New Quick Reply and click Yes to send the thanks message to him. So pre-designed quick replies like this saves your time, and you can handle more chats instantly like a pro, no typing, no errors, fast reply. Schedule notifications. This feature allows you to create future notification message in Morphy WhatsApp CRM, and you can then use your CRM platform to trigger messages at specific times. You will tell to whom to send the notification and when to send the notification. You can send a message to the selected contact monthly, yearly, etc. In Morphy WhatsApp CRM, you can schedule notification for once or can repeat the sending for multiple times. Here, I need to send a payment due date reminder regarding a product to one of my contact first of every month for 1 year. I am planning to send from 1st July 2025 onwards for 12 months. To schedule this message, from the left side panel of main window, open the schedule window. Click on Add Schedule button. First, choose the contact to which the reminder is to be sent. Next, enter the reminder message. Next, I want CRM to add the contact to Kanban board's done list. I need to repeat the sending 12 months, so I will select Repeat option. Choose the start date and time. I need to send the payment reminder on 1st of every month, so I will select monthly, then 1S date, then choose a time. Number of times is 12 for me. Now click Save. Now the schedule will be executed without my intervention, and the customer will be notified about the payment date before the validity expires. At any time, you can check the status of the schedule like this. Click the history icon of the schedule. In here, you can see on which dates the reminder is already sent, which sent operations failed, the complete list of dates your sending is scheduled. As you can see, the list of 12 upcoming dates are listed here on which my reminder will be sent to my customer. So schedule your messages and redirect your human resources to more productive business tasks. Next, let's see Kanban board. A Kanban board is a visual signboard showing the work to be done, the work in progress, and the work completed. Kanban boards are typically divided into rows and columns with work items represented by colorful cards, carrying particular information about individual tasks as they move from start to finish through the process. In WhatsApp, CRM work means contacts or chats. As you can see, you have 3 columns to organize your contacts. Depending on the state of the contact, you can put it in the to-do, processing, or done column. Each contact will be shown as a card, and card gives different options like tag, reminder, chat, etc. Now let me show you how to drag and drop the contacts from left column to to-do, processing, or done columns. For example, if your task is to arrange contacts of cold email suite product sales, then in to-do, you can put on new inquiries to be followed up. In processing, you can put contacts that you are handling now. In done, you can put contacts that place the order by completing payment. Now in each contact card, have options to exclusively schedule future messages for this particular contact. Similarly, add notes about this contact so that you can refer in later follow-ups. Add reminders to be sent exclusively to this contact regarding payment dues or offers, etc. Open the WhatsApp chat window of the contact. Also, you can add tags to the contact for recognizing to which task the contact is associated with. Add or remove columns as you need in your Kanban board depending on your business scenario. Then arrange your contacts in those columns to see the status of tasks. See you in next part of the series? Sign up today for our premium services and thank you.